Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: Windows 11 Pro/Enterprise and CPU virtualization enabled in BIOS. Next, install WSL2 and set it as your default distribution because Docker Desktop relies on it for performance and Linux compatibility. Once done, download Docker Desktop for Windows and during installation, accept the WSL2 backend and required Hyper-V features. This sequence gets you from zero to a functional integration layer. Make sure Windows updates are applied before continuing so kernel packages. You will run the Docker Desktop installer as administrator and follow prompts to enable WSL2 integration and optional Hyper-V features because those control where containers run. Once installed, open Docker settings and go to Resources, then WSL integration. Toggle the specific Linux distro you use so containers access its file system. Make sure to sign in with a Docker ID if you need images from Docker Hub, and adjust CPU and memory limits under Resources to match your workloads, since default limits may be conservative. You finish by testing Docker. Run Docker run rm hello world, and then a simple nginx container with port mapping to confirm networking. If something fails, use WSL-LV to verify your distro is running WSL2 and run Docker info to inspect the backend and resource usage. If containers won't start, restart Docker Desktop and your WSL distro. Make sure the WSL kernel package is up to date. One key tip: if issues persist, reset Docker to factory defaults before reinstalling to clear configuration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.